Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is not a DIY. This is a really short video of me testing this wood burning tool from Dollar Tree. As you can see, they charge $5, and of course it's in the $3 and $5 section at Dollar Tree. I actually purchased this before, and so I have another one somewhere in my house. So if this turns out to be a good tool, then I'll do a giveaway when I find it. Here's the directions in the back. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open this, plug it up, give it a chance to heat up. Let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it out the packet. Oh, okay. Comes with the information, more directions, I'm sure. I'm so anxious to try this. Here's the attachment. I like the orange color. Let's go ahead and plug it up. Okay, one thing I see that I don't like right away, it does not have an on and off switch like mine does. So once you plug it up, I'm sure it's going to heat up. So I'm going to let it sit here for a few minutes and let it heat up. And then, well, it's pretty hot. I have this little wooden crate that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well. So let's give it a try. Okay guys, I'm back, and I actually filmed this before, and some kind of way it deleted from my camera, so I need to show you guys again that it actually works. Again, it does not have an on-off switch. That's the bummer. But as you can see, it's smoking, and you can see that I've already been doodling. So you can see that it actually does work as a wood burning tool. So if you wanted to write something, you could. Okay, this particular attachment is perfect for putting holes in plastic. So let's just try this plastic cup. Look at that, perfect. Let's put like a little smiley face. So yeah, I would say that it definitely works. So I did try the other attachments from my other heat burning tool, and it'll go on but not all the way. So you can actually use it. I'm sure that you can buy attachments online, but by the time you do all that, you may as well just go ahead and buy a heat burning tool that comes with attachments. But yeah, if you just want to use this for maybe putting letters or designs, it wouldn't be easy to do like circles. But if you want to do like simple designs or burn like holes in some particular thing, see, it's burning right through the wood. I give it a thumbs up. It definitely works.